So I've had these ELEVAR shoes for actually a few weeks now. I've been wearing them quite a lot inside. I find them very comfortable, really like them. We got a beautiful day. It's 8 degrees and sunny out today. So I'm gonna take these bad boys for a nice little run. Did a long run over the weekend. Feet are a bit sore today. Felt a bit tight in the ons, and these feel really comfy. So just gonna go for an easy walk and run, and I'll report back afterwards, let you guys know how it goes. All right, just finished, did 8 kilometers, mostly walking, a little bit of running. Normally I'm running in the On Cloudflow. I have been like in love with that shoe for the past few years, but today when I was going out for just an easy walk, jog kind of deal, I noticed that with the Ons, I was getting a little bit of this kind of weird foot pain pressure. I think it might just happen because I did a lot of miles last week, did a long run on Sunday, and just wanted to get out something easy and comfortable today. So when I put on these shoes, it seemed really comfortable. It seemed like there was just a bit more room for my feet to breathe, and it was really comfortable just getting out and going for a bit of a walk, an easy jog. Definitely not getting the same kind of, you know, support and cushioning that I'm getting from that On Cloudflow with these, although it does feel really nice when I'm walking and doing some easy jogging. I think I'm definitely going to be incorporating this in for the easier walks, easy jogs, and even maybe like some indoor strength training and stuff like that, because the shoe is really comfortable, super affordable. I really love the upper of the shoe. It's nice and soft, and it's got some flex to it, and really enjoy it overall. So I wanted to say thanks to ELEVAR for sending me the shoe to try out. I'm definitely going to be incorporating it into my my rotation of shoes, so thank you so much. Hope you guys enjoy. If you're looking for the shoe, definitely would recommend check it out. It's an amazing price. I love what this company's trying to do, make footwear, performance footwear, more affordable for people. So that's super great, and really support what they're up to.